Hello students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am here to teach you mathematics, chapter number 1, where to look from, part 1. So let us begin with the chapter. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our picture to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawing looked different. Now, as you can see that Dheeraj has drawn the car. This is the picture and this is drawn by Anshul. Now, both of them have drew the picture of the car and both of them are right. Now what Dheeraj said, he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, he is right. Why? Because as you can see his picture, he saw the car from top. So the top view of the car is right. And Anshul saw it from side. So his drawing is also right. So all depends from the angle which you see the object. Have you looked at the things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Look at the picture drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? Now, as you can see, this is the table. If you see the table from side, it will look like this. And if you see the top view of the table, it will look exactly like this. Next is some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. So this is a pressure cooker. If you see the top view of the pressure cooker, it will look exactly like this. If you see the slipper, this is the side view and this is the top view. Same way, this is the side view and this is the top view. Same, the view of this table is from side, it looks like this, and from top it look like this. Now page number 2. As you can see, a cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Now this cat is peeping inside the classroom. So this is the top view of the class. Students are sitting here and exactly in front of them teacher is standing. So they have asked us, can you help her find out where the teacher is? Yes, because the teacher is standing opposite to the students. So here is the teacher. Next question they have asked, here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Now as you can see this staircase, if you see, this is the side view of the staircase. If you see this staircase, this is the top view of the staircase. If you see this table, again it is a top view of the table. Next they have asked chair. So this chair is the side view. If you see this pencil, this is again the top view of the pencil. And if you see this bus, this is the side view of the bus. Now draw top view of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. So here you have to draw 2 or 3 things which you can guess. Ask your friends to guess what they are. Means you have to draw the pictures here and ask your friends whether they can recognize the objects or not. So here I end up my first part and hope you understood what I explained you. Thank you, students.